What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. This is your boy Amit, and today we are going to look at Act 2 by Runway ML. This model allows you to transpose your body, your hand gestures, your facial expressions on top of other models. It's super cool. I've been having way too much fun with it. So with that, let's get started. All right, I'm on Runway's website and they recently launched the Act 2, and here's one of their promo videos. So the idea of Act 2 is you can create a video of yourself with your hand gestures, and then you can transpose that onto any character. There's no rendering needed, no 3D models. This is all happening in the browser in real time. Pretty wild, just like that guy did. Wild. This is wild stuff. So I'm going to show you some real examples of mine. But before I do, let's walk you through the cost of this. So this is only available on standard or higher plans. I'm on their pro plan. I just signed up for the pro plan so I could test Act 2, and I'm so glad I did. If you're someone who's going to create a ton of content with this, and seriously the limits to this is our imagination, then I would highly recommend the unlimited plan. But definitely start off with the standard plan just to kind of test the waters, see what you think about it. Now, before I get into how to do this, let me show you a video that I've already created with Act 2, and this is a video to promote my upcoming in-person ChatGPT workshop. I made a playful video using AI, so here it is. Check it out. Hi, my name is Amit, and I used to manually write every email, blog, and sales page like it's 2009. I even built a funnel in PowerPoint once. But then I built AI systems that do it all for me. And I'm teaching you how August 1st in Frisco for just $97. 24/7 lead gen, content, funnels, emails, no tech skills needed. If you can microwave a burrito, then you can do this. Join me live in Frisco. Click the button below for more details. All right, you can see I thought it was funny, playful, and also shows the power of AI. And since this is an AI workshop, why not use AI video? Now, let's get into how this works. So I'm going to take you into Runway, and in Runway, let's just start on my dashboard. You can check your billing and all that fun stuff in the top right corner here. Just go to your account. But what we want to focus on here is generate video. Now, when you go to generate video, you will see Gen 4 now for image and video. Now, when you go in here, what you want to do is make sure that you're on the video tab, and down here you're going to see perform with Act 2. So I'm going to click on that, and then from here it's really very simple. So first we're going to select our asset. That's the video that you're going to upload of yourself or the subject that you want to create a mimic for. So this will be the original file. So I'm going to upload my original file now and then show you the next step. Alright, so I've uploaded a 9-second clip, and when you first upload it, it's going to detect the face, which is very important. Without the face detection, it's not going to work. So here's my video. Let me just play it for you. This one, I want to keep moving my head and see if the model will follow. So that's my 9-second video. I wanted to see how good a image will follow my head movements. From here, what you can do is you can either choose one of the example characters. They have a bunch of example characters here, or you can select an asset, which could be from your library, images that you have already created with Runway, images you have uploaded. So I'm going to upload one of the images that I already have on my computer. Alright, so I've added the image. Now, one thing to note here, Runway will do its best to detect a face, but if the face is not detected, then you are going to have to upload a different image. So I have this image of a goat here. I can go into settings. I can choose what the facial expressiveness should be, as close as possible, as little as possible, or somewhere in the middle. So I'm just going to leave it. And then gestures for driving the performance, because in this one, only my head is moving. I'm going to keep that as the gesture. Then I can also choose the aspect ratio. So I'm going to keep 9:16, and we already looked at the rest of the settings. So I'm going to hit generate. Now, when you hit the generate button, before that, you get to see how many credits are going to be used. So my video is roughly 10 seconds. So it's going to use 50 credits for this video, and I have about 2,500 credits left in my account. So I'm going to hit generate. Now this generation does take a few minutes. It could take upwards of 5 minutes, depends on the server load and your place in the queue. So while we wait for that video to generate, here's an example of a video I created. Alright, these are my hand gestures and my face gestures for Runway. You can see it is pretty darn good. So for one of them I used the preset models, and then for the other one I obviously added an image in there of a famous celebrity, and both of those worked pretty well, all from a single image. Now let's see how this goat one is going to turn out. I am very curious. This one I want to keep moving my head and see if the model will follow. Alright, that's pretty darn good. So what I did, and this is something you're gonna have to experiment, I created a long video that was about a minute long for my Facebook ad, chopped it up into 10-second bits and pieces, and for each 10-second bit I added a different image, and that is how you saw that Facebook ad earlier, and that was the final result. Each time I got that 10-second video transposed, I downloaded it and then stitched it all back together on my video editing software. I use Descript for it. Descript, GIF, GIF, you get it. And the last thing I'm going to show you is facial expressions, and this is my first time experimenting too, so we'll be doing this unboxing together on how well does it do with minute facial expressions such as eye movement, maybe raising my eyebrows. So what I've done is I've uploaded another video of mine. This one is 18 seconds, so I'll be charged about 95 credits, or I think it rounds up to the next nearest second. So 19 seconds, 95 credits. And if we hide this output, you can see that this other one is in the making, and this one I simply want to test out how well Runway ML Act 2 can do with facial expressions. So I've zoomed in into my face to get that facial expression understood by its rendering software. I'm going to pause this video, wait for this output to be complete, and then let's check it out together. Alright, the video is rendered, we are back. Let's see how this does with facial expression. This one I want to see how good is the model in picking up my facial expressions, whether I'm smiling or sad or moving my eyes. Without moving. You can see it is pretty darn good and just so fun to play with something like this. So thank you so much, Runway ML team. Now, if you want to experiment, you can always use some of these example images instead of using your own, or you can get free images from any image library, or just create your own free image from millions of image generators that are out on the market, just to experiment with this. So again, what you need is you need your base video, which will go up top here, and then your image of what you want that final output video to look like, and then Runway does the rest. This technology is just getting wild. It's getting out of control, guys, but this is so cool and I am having way too much fun with this. So super easy to use. I don't think there's much to it, but I would love to see your Runway compositions, so don't forget to drop them in the comments below. And there you have it, folks. That was Runway Act 2. So fun to use. What a great product. Kudos to the Runway team, and as always, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for sticking around till the end, and if you're stuck around so far, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button so you get notified next time I release a video, and until next time, keep prompting, keep creating.